Hector traffic, 216 Bravo Alpha is just to the south of Buffalo Lake at 2400, and we're going to proceed south of Hector and join downwind for 30.
216 Bravo Alpha, Roger. Paradragon just touched down Hector, left turn at the side runway without delay. Break. The Cessna 150 for departure, runway 30, your discretion, wind is calm.
Right, Cessna 0 Romeo Whiskey departing runway 30 at Hector.
Hector traffic, experimental on about a 1 mile final, landing 30.
The aircraft call again, you have a large squeal, and if it's the experimental turning the left base, I have you in sight. Departing 150 will not be a factor.
Hector traffic, yellow Cobra 386 is on left base 30. Do I have a squeal?
Roger, I have you in sight on left base.
Is there a squeal?
That did not squeal.
Thank you. Okay, Hector traffic, Cobra 386 is on final, full stop here at Hector.
You drive it, she sits in it? Whoops.
Yeah, she sits in back. Yeah.
You don't let her drive it?
Oh, she doesn't want to.
She doesn't.
Yeah, I've asked her many times.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh
Where
yes.
are you from?
Mound,
Minnesota?
yeah, it's right over here.
Rhode Island.
It's not very far. Yeah.
Did you come in underneath the fog or over the fog?
Over the fog.
So,
Yeah.
it was ground level, the fog, not way up there fog.
No, it was, when we came in, this is probably about 1,000 feet above the ground here.
Okay.
So when we came in, we were flying a couple thousand feet. But in the early morning hours, I'm sure this was dense fog here.
Yep.
And yeah, we had to wait for it to lift.
Oh, okay. You don't have instruments to come in under fog with
No, you check your phone or check the weather reports and everything to make sure that everything's going to be good before you go.
Yes.
There's been times where I've gotten into fog and I had to turn around. And what's dangerous about that though is you can lose control of your aircraft.
Yep.
Because there's a thing called spatial disorientation.
Yep.
And you don't know if you're right side up or upside down or whatever. If you don't have any reference point, that could really screw you up.
Yes.
You know about that?
Yes.
Are you a pilot?
No.
Okay. Well, you still know about
I'm not a horse lady either, but I know about horses.
it. Okay, Tom. We'll see ya. You're a horse lady?
Yeah, but I don't
Okay.
ride horses. Ride horses or have horses.
Uh-huh.
They can't go under my bed.
Right, yeah. I wouldn't put a horse under my bed either. All right, see ya. You can see the line is pretty long here. Holy cow. Amazing. I gotta see if I can find Lori here. Hey, look. I found her. There she is. Hi, Lori. How come you didn't get in a little bit closer?
This is the end of the line.
This is the end of that was the wow. Look how and look how much longer it is now. Wow. Did you enjoy your flight in?
Yeah, Mom did.
Okay. Hey, I see your hat is autographed by none other than Sean Tucker. How cool is that?
And Mike Patey.
And Mike Patey on the other side?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
In the middle.
Oh my gosh. Jeez. What's that? I thought there'd be a lot more planes here. See a lot of people lined up here at the end. We're getting ready to do I think a ping pong ball drop for the kids. I'm not sure, but I think that's what they're gonna do. I'll find out. Put your hand on the stick. You can touch the stick. You can pull it back. You can pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it off. Pull the stick back towards you. There you go. You're flying, babe. You're flying. You like that? Wave at me. All right, cool. Good girl. How do you like that? Are you flying? You like flying? All right. Wave at me. All right. Very good. Very good. You gonna be a pilot?
Yeah. Oh, that's such
Good.
That is a really nice.
There you go.
I think it was, almost.
Wave at me.
Yeah, and the willingness to simply scale what you're doing. Well,
You gonna be a pilot?
But when I first met him, I said, so
You're flying.
what do you do? He says, I'm a contractor.
You're PIC. You're pilot in command.
And we kept asking questions, they were all no. It's like
Looking down, you're still on the ground though. That's the problem. When are you gonna get it up in the air?
I said, so what do you build? He says,
Huh? When are you gonna get it up in the air there, pilot? Come on, let's get going here. Careful. Don't go too far forward. You'll crash.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you'll crash.
And he says, you know if I can weld stainless steel? He said we're looking for more.
Yeah, I bet.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So,
Okay.
yeah.
Cover 386, departing 12, heading to the east. Hector?
Hector traffic, Grumman 6384 Lima's downwind, runway 12, low approach.